Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today's focus is on HTML target attribute. I chose this topic because I have seen so many students find difficulty with the target attributes. Now let's see what is it and how does it work effectively.
See students, I have created one folder named HTML. Inside this HTML folder, I have created 4 files: about.html, contact.html, index.html and services.html. Out of these 4 files, index.html is my main file. As you all know that whatever we are going to specify in the body tag is going to display on the browser. Here I have taken inside the body tag, I have taken paragraph element and the iframe element. I have given the height and width to this frame 500 and 500 and I have given the border 2 pixels all sides and I have given the name as well, frame 1. And inside this iframe I want to see the content of the contact.html page. Now let's see what's inside of this contact.html page. This paragraph, one paragraph, and again in this page again I have embedded one iframe element with height and width 400 and border I have given again 2. I have given the name frame 2 and source will be about.html. It means that inside this iframe I want to see the content of about.html file. Now let's see the content of about.html. See, this is the content of our about.html file. Inside this file I have taken, as you can see, I have taken 5 anchor tags, but the target I have specified different. Like here I have specified underscore self, here I specify underscore blank, underscore parent, underscore top and frame 2. Now we will see one by one that what does this anchor tag say. If you click on this link, you will redirect to the services.html file and you will be able to see the content inside the services.html file. But target I have set underscore self. It means you will be able to see the content of services.html file is in the same tab only. Let's see it practically. See, this is my first link. Services page will open on the same tab. Means same tab means here only in this frame. Can you see that? We are able to see the content of services.html file. And next anchor tag say, yeah, you will be able to see the content of services.html file after clicking on this link, but you will be able to see the content on the new window because I have set it target underscore blank. Let's see it practically. If I click on it, I will see the content here in the new window. Can you see that? Services.html file, and this is the content. I am going to watch it in the new tab. Now third tag says that I will open the content of services.html file but in the underscore parent, means parent file. This is a child of, this frame is a child of second frame and second frame is the child of first frame. As I have mentioned that on the parent frame, that it means you will be able to see the content of services.html file here only. So let's see. Can you see that? If you have any doubt, please comment down. Now fourth tag says that target is equal to underscore top. It means after clicking on this, you will be able to see the content of services.html file but on the topmost layer. Topmost layer means this third frame is the child of second frame and second frame is the child of first frame. And who's the topmost parent? This one, first frame. After clicking on this, you will be able to see the content here. Can you see that? And what does it say? It says target is equal to frame 2, means that I have given the name. I have given in the content.html file the name of this iframe is frame 2. It means after second frame in this iframe I will be able to see the content of services.html file because I have set the target is frame 2. Here in this frame I will be able to see the content. Is it clear? Let's see practically on the second frame. Here, after this, in this frame, you will see the content of services.html.
Thank you for watching video. If you found this video useful, I would love it if you would like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support really means a lot to me.